75 हार्ड क्या है?
I failed 75 hard.
I failed the 75 hard.
I failed.
I messed up the second. I failed.
I failed.
Hey guys, welcome back again to your Unacademy NEET English channel. I hope all of you are doing great, having the wonderful time. So my dear students, there is a very special topic. There's this very special video which is currently going viral on YouTube. You all must have seen it. That is 75 hard days challenge. So, a lot of people have been following this particular challenge and they have seen the results. So my dear students, what we thought here, we thought exactly to give you that 75 hard days challenge, right, which is going to ease out your preparation for sure. Now what exactly we are going to do here in this particular challenge? What exactly you will be doing? Before that, let me tell you, my dear students, you are going to take your notebook out. You are going to make certain columns on your notebook, make some 5 columns, right? Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, till day 75. And on every particular day, there are 5 tasks which you have to accomplish. And one more important. What is that going to be? You are going to follow this challenge for complete 75 days, right? And if by chance on day 5, you fail to do one of the things out of these 5 things, then you have to start again from day 1 itself. So you have to follow this complete routine for 75 days. And it's observed, my dear students, if you keep on doing the same thing for 75 days, it automatically becomes your habit, right? Then nobody is going to stop you on doing those things after 75 days. So let's talk about the discipline part. My dear students, this first point, it is the most crucial point among all the 5 points, right? In this discipline point, you have to fix your daily targets. Physics, chemistry, biology. Select some topics of physics, chemistry and biology. Try to accomplish it on a particular day. And once you accomplish the topics of all the subjects on a particular day, mark the tick on day 1 of the discipline column, right? Similarly, the other 5 things, the other 4 things which are remaining, you will be keeping on doing them and marking a tick on that day book kind of basically, right? And you have to continue it for like 75 days. Again, I'm telling you, if you miss out any of these things on a particular day, you again have to start from day 1. Perfect. This is going to make you disciplined, and this discipline plays a key role, my dear students, while qualifying this particular NEET examination.
The second important task that you need to do daily is having perseverance and the minimum content required for you to get awesome marks in your upcoming NEET examination. You will face many hurdles. You will probably not find the time, or there will be a sudden homework or some kind of hindrance in your day-to-day activities which will stop you from preparing for NEET. But in spite of that, if you take it up as a challenge to at least do 10 problems per subject, so that's physics, chemistry, biology, so in all 30 problems per day, at least, no matter what the difficulty is, imagine in a matter of 75 days, you would have done at least 2,250 problems. And this is just bare minimum. If you push it a little bit up, you can do even more. So that's your second task. The next important point that you need to inculcate in your day-to-day challenge is speed and accuracy. NEET is not just a game of theory and knowledge, but it's also a game about how quick you are and how accurate you are. Remember, just some time back I told you that you need to solve 10 problems per subject, so in all 30 problems together, every day. So make sure you solve those 30 problems in a specified amount of time. Let's say 1 hour. Or maybe even 1.5 hours. But stick to it. Ensure that if you exceed that time limit, then again you are going to go back to day 0. Not just that, out of all those 30 problems that you solve, at least a certain percentage should be correct. Let's say 20% or 30% or 40%. It's up to you. But you should be comfortable. I'm not saying it should be 90%. But it's something which will be like a benchmark. Oh, I am completing this many problems in this much time, and that too with this much accuracy. So imagine over a period of 75 days, how much you would have achieved. And this is the exact same pressure you're going to feel in the examination. So you should prepare yourself at home.
Hi aspirants, 4 Ds are very important for your life: determination, dedication, direction and the discipline. If you have decided something and you are doing it dedicatedly in a proper direction, you are following that path dedicatedly, you are disciplined enough, definitely you are going to achieve the things in your life, right? And always we used to say that you have to be consistent in your life. So if you are disciplined enough, definitely you are going to be consistent. And if you are consistent, definitely you will see the results, isn't it? But after knowing all that things, still we are not able to inculcate such virtues in ourselves. Have you ever thought why? Ever? The only answer is mental toughness. Mentally we are not that strong. I'll give you one example. I'll quote one very simple example, and I think you all can relate here. Whenever we decide that we are going to start our day early in the morning, we will make our day productive and we are going to utilize it properly, right? So what is the first thing? You have to wake up early in the morning. But when that alarm rings, what we used to do? We put the snooze button, isn't it? So if you are actually mentally strong, right, what will you do? Even if you don't want to wake up, you will still wake up. If you don't want to go out for the exercise, you will go out. If you don't feel like studying, you will still sit on that chair and the table and then you will study, right? That is how you can inculcate all that virtue in yourself. This is what you have to do in our 75 days challenge. Okay, so here in our 75 days challenge, we are going to tell you that how to be productive, right? How to manage the time, how to complete your syllabus fast, and how to be accurate. All that things we are going to tell you. But the most important thing here is the mental toughness. If you have decided and you are mentally strong to achieve all that things, if you have decided that yes, this is what I want, then yes, you have to get out of your comfort zone. And trust me, if you will get out of your comfort zone, whatever you want, you can get in your life. And this is what you have to do. And moreover, during this journey, we also need our family support, because they provide us that comfortable environment. If your family supports your way, you are lucky, very good, go for it. And if your family, if they do not support your ways, then talk to them. Tell them that you are not going to waste your next 75 days. In next 75 days, they can see you, they can keep a check on your performance, and they can see that how well you are doing in your life. So this is what you have to do. Stay connected with us on our community pages, on our Telegram channel, that is Unacademy NEET English, and tell us about your progress. All the best. Stay tuned to this channel.
So students, now that you have understood about discipline, consistency, perseverance, mental toughness, speed and accuracy, how are you going to check on yourself? How are you going to check if you were consistent throughout the 75 days? For that, it is very important for you to reflect on your day. What have you been doing every single day? Were you consistent? Were you studying these topics consistently? Were you following all the guidelines that was given by the teachers? Were you going through the PYQs? To check on this, I want all of you to reflect on your day. Before that, I would expect all of you to write down where do you see yourself after 75 days. Okay, you should be knowing which chapter you should have completed. Okay, what topics I would have covered, right? That is very important, because every time when you're doing something, you need to set your goals. So the first thing that you need to do now is to make a to-do list of what you want to finish. Okay, so that is basically how you're going to reflect on your day. And you should every day think, what were the obstacles that I faced today? Maybe I should have started with an easy subject and then gone to a difficult subject, or maybe I should have started with a difficult subject. So there will be obstacles daily, right? That obstacles has to be written down, and on a daily basis of 75 days, I want you people to remove each obstacles. Okay, and then you should have a self-analysis. Where do I stand now? Am I feeling confident, right? Am I feeling confident about the subjects that I felt, no, I can't do this, right? So that self-analysis is very, very important. And the biggest thing, where do you want to be placed? right? Where do you see yourself? So how far have I come from day 1 to the 75th day? You should see your growth, you should see your progress. So on daily basis, what I want you people to do is to tally yourself, right? To tally your progress. Once you tally your progress, you will understand where did you go wrong. And students, like we already told you, 75 hard day challenge, right? Even if you miss one day of your to-do list, I want you people to go back and start from the first. That is the only way you all NEET aspirants can crack NEET.
So these are the 5 daily tasks that you need to take part in every day for the next 75 days. It's going to be a very difficult and definitely a very, very hard challenge for all of you, because you have to always come back if something goes wrong. But trust me on this, you will feel so accomplished, you will feel so satisfied, and you will be at a next level after these 75 days. But before reaching the 75 days, every 15 days, if you are able to complete all the daily tasks, ensure that you click a selfie, you take a photograph, ask somebody, or you can only take a selfie and tag us on our social handles, or send it to us on our Telegram or whichever social media accounts you are registered in, so that you have a major task which is accomplished in 15 days. And every 15 days I want you to click that selfie so you can track your progress as well. Alright, so I hope you guys are going to be ready for the upcoming 75-day hard challenge. Take care, God bless you all. Do not forget to smash the like button, and also do not forget to subscribe to the channel.
Unacademy. Let's crack it.